Scrappers, just a quick little clip. This is from my washer guy, like he's cleaning up at his place. So all of this stuff he wanted to get rid of. All the washers still have their motors in there, like that one. I had to take the fridge and the barbecue, taking the good with the bad in here, man. It's pretty good already. He had some loose motors hanging around and circuitries and that. Iron bikes. Okay, so I'm gonna shuffle this around and get motors out and then take it to the scrap yard, and then he's got another load. See how that goes. Okay, keep it scrappy. Oh, morning scrappers. It's a windy one today. We're empty at the back. I've got a washer and a fridge from my guy. Filled it up a little bit. That's about it. Right, this one here is the first, man. There's a bit going on. Hopefully, yeah. Let's do this first. Come on. Well, that's a chunky one, man. Nice start. Is this heavy? Oh no, that's all right. Eesh. Whoa. This has been smashed, bro. This one's seen better days. What is this? This is a steamer? Yes. Feels pretty heavy. I might take this from my mate. He can break it down. That's aluminium. Okay. Wait. Get in, bro. Thank you. Off, bro. Off. Okay. What are these like? Seem okay. Maybe resell. Chuck it in here. And oh, those are pretty worn out. This one is a blanket. What is this? Clothes. Oh, they smell a bit musty, mate. I'll leave that one. Bit musty. Okay, bikes. Oh, wait, one sec. Kids bad. Whoa. It's a bit how you going. I think I'll just leave that. Alright, I'll load these up. For a couple leaves. Let's go. Oh, these are heavy. Ah, yeah. Nice one, nice one. Okay, next one. Check it out. One of those. And yeah, letterbox. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Some chunky. Nice one, nice one. Oh, yeah, sweet, let's go. Put these up front, man. Yeah. Probably not that one. What are these made of? Oh yeah. Stainless. Okay, I hope the bike thing can fit there. Or elliptical, whatever this thing is called. Do you have wheels, mate? No, it doesn't look like it. Come on. Whoa. Oh, whoa. This is full knackered, bro. Full knackered. Yes, that'll fit. Methinks. Yes. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Yeah, I'll probably leave that. Grab this. Sorry? No, you take.
Good?
It's a bit rusty over there, bro.
Huh?
Looks rusty over there, man. Up to you, bro. Okay, empty orders. Nothing. Oh, wow. Breezy.
I got treadmill. You want to take? I got treadmill.
Sorry?
Treadmill.
Have you?
You need the
Where are you up here?
just turn right on the roundabout.
Yeah.
45 number.
Okay.
But I can't fit here.
Yeah, I probably won't be able to fit it. Maybe next time. Thank you anyway, brother. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hey. Yep. I think that's it. Good enough. Scrappers quickly. I think I saw a nah. I thought that was something, but it ain't. It's a mirror. There's not really much going on here. Okay, oh yeah, these are aluminium. Let's take you. Yes, and I'll check the battery. nice one. Thank you. All the mugs. That's it. Oh, look at this thing. I didn't see you. Wow. What is this? Is this a chili bin? I think I might bring this. Should I? It's got a drainage. Surely. Let me have a look. Oh, not. Just a seat. It's a bit bulky for my place. I don't have much space. I'll leave. Let's go. Scrappers the next. Well, whose hard rubbish is this? There's no house here. Interesting. Oh, what is this? That is trash. Oh yeah? Let's have a closer look at this. Logitech. Logitech. Oh, look at that speaker. It's wrecked. This is interesting. I'll put this in the back. Oh, you need a hand?
We need a hand for that one.
What's that one?
Down there.
Oh, shucks. Yeah, I got a trolley I can use. I'll do it for you. I was wondering whose was this.
Yeah, it's all out.
I didn't know which door to knock on. Sorry. Thank you. Yeah, 100%. I'll probably take that one too.
Yeah,
Yeah, just leave it there.
no worries. And we've got a washing machine that still works if you want it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's in our laundry.
Oh, okay. Is it?
And this fish freezer actually works.
Does it?
It might still work. We haven't plugged it in for a long time, but it's a little bit grubby inside.
Okay.
That's why we wanted to bip it. It's no good to us.
Fair enough.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank yous. Oh, seen better days this one, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, that's marketplace.
Yeah.
I think we used it all but once and that was it.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Collecting hard rubbish. Let's go. Bye. Cheers. Oof. This one is rough. Okay. Straight out. Well, it feels pretty light. Hopefully the motor is still... Oh yeah, it's still there. Do like that for easy access. Oh, this is cool. Oh no. It's pretty wrecked. Michael Kors. That doesn't look like Michael Kors. Look, I think I'll leave that. And nope. Nope. Well, it's a pretty tidy pile. I think that's it. Grab this Kogan rubbish. This one. It looks nasty, man. I'm not cleaning that. Hopefully the camera picks that up. Boom. Okay, this one too. Let's go. Oh, don't look in there. Oh, actually, there's something I want to grab. Wash. Yeah. Yuck. I'll take it to the front. Okay, I think that's it. I'll tidy up and we'll roll. Scrappers, I saw something lurking. Oh, it's a PlayStation 3. PS3 fat. It's been raining all weekend. It doesn't really look wet. Let's go. Anything else? Yeah, not really. Not really, not really. Oh, what is that? A pool. It's been opened. Don't really want to mess with that. Shucks, that's a nice hutch for someone else. Let's go. Scrappers, they sold their house. The lady was nice. She offered me their washing machine, but it's all the way in the back, man. I'm not gonna do that. But what I did see though is this. Look at this chunky, man. I love extruded. Nice one. Let's go. Oh, little steak. Chuck this in the back. Where though? Over here. Wait. Let's go. Yeah, beauty. Nice one. Anything else? Cosmetics. I don't know anything about this. I'll just leave that. Guess. Oh no, it's wrecked. Okay. So I leave. Yeah. Yeah. It's just rubbish. Oh shucks, look at that. Packed it in nicely. This little flimsy thing, you can stay there. Hey, bag of cords. Yeah. Fishing reel. Oh, Xbox. Nice, nice. Oh, look at this. Nice. These look okay. They look okay. Come on. Get off. Some drill bits. We got some drill bits. Might as well. Oh, look at the caster wheels. Yes. Oh, bag full of casters. Lovely. What else? Oh, there's stuff there. There's a tool bag. Let's try to dig it out. Hello. But even this box, what does that say? Dan Fuss Flow Division. It's pretty cool, eh? Focus. Let's do this first. Oh, there's some other stuff there too, man. Okay, come on. Oh, it's ripping. Brother, give to me. Oi. Okay. Bit of this, bit of that. Hardware. That's cool. How? Oh yeah. Get out. Come on, bro. What is that? PVR. What's in there? Oh man. Okay. Let's go on the other side. Oh, look at that. I just noticed something. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, that is high grade. Awesome. PVR. What is this? That's heavy. Oh, that feels heavy. This feels empty. Yeah. Okay. Paperwork. Trash. We'll leave that. Come on. Wait. Where are we? Over here. Come on. What did I see? Ah, it's just a speaker. Old one. I've got that though. Okay. Yes. Come on. Oh my gosh. Yay. Chrissy lights. I'll come back. can grab that. Okay, let's load up. Kasha. Hey. Yo. And Makita. Christmas lights. Ooh, roaches. Hey. What kind of Makita? Oh yeah? Old school. Okay, I'll just tidy up a bit. Yeah. Wait a sec. Bag of cords. Yeah. Get over. Don't fall. Okay. It's a bag of cords. Don't really want the bag. Oh yeah. What is that? Brass. Come on. Wii stand. That's random. What's that? Screws. Anything else? What's that? Okay, that's it. Whew. I might separate this apple one. I think it's apple. It looks like it. Oh. It's just a knockoff. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's go. Stop right there. I noticed something as I sat back down in the car. This. It's a bag of whatever they are. Not a bag, a box. Yeah, this one. Come here. Oh, it's heavy. Oh yeah, extruded. And screws. Is that extruded? Oh, it is. More extruded. One last tub. Come on, buddy. What's in here? Mulch. Okay, interesting. Might as well. What's here? Shoes. No, they're wrecked. Are they? Closer look. This one doesn't stop. Look at that. More extruded. Nike, are they Nike? Maybe knockoff. Nah, they're rubbish. Okay, not bad. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Oh, I didn't even look here. I didn't even look here. Yeah, they're okay. Little cord. Look at that. Bags, bags. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go. Next one. We got this guy. Oh no, man, not like this. Not like this. Okay. Can go in here. Oh, these weights are cracked. I'll leave that. Come on, buddy. Oh, great. Hold on. Eesh. Okay, I think, hold on, stand up, this way. Wait. Go. Yes. Okay. Nice one. Oh yeah. Let's go. Can't even get it. Oops. Didn't want that. Lovely. Oh, these TVs are done, man. Full. Where's the other one? Boom. Okay. I'll leave that bike. Let's go. Oh, check this out. Washer. I mean, mower. Ah, that's empty. What's this? That's it. Let's go. Oh, scrappers, here we are. Man, off-road over here, bro. Damn. Obviously these two are. Oh yeah, we got some aluminium. Ali as well. What is this? A weathered cabinet. Where am I gonna put this, eh? Where? I think the dryer can go here. I think. Yeah, let's go. Oh, sounds like a garbage truck. Please, no garbage truck. that'll do. Maybe we can use this. Sweet. Come on. Yeah. Okay, Ali, let's go. What's in there? Oh, fan. Let's go. Okay. Thank you. Strap up. Scrappers, we made it home. It's just about to rain, so we'll make this quick. It's another outstanding day out in the streets, man. There's plenty of good stuff in the back here. Plenty to work with over here as well. 1, 2, like three washers, 2 dryers. I think plenty of aluminium as well that I'll take out and take to my storage unit. But yeah, man, can't complain. In the back, PlayStation, Xbox controller. Oh, this one looks a bit cheap. I might donate that one, but maybe resell that. Yeah. Okay, what a day. That was a lot of fun. Thank you for rolling with me. Make sure to check out the official social media links in the description down below. Make sure you're not subscribed or following those Gronk fake pages, and I will see you on the next one.